Hi guys, and welcome to Alma Crash Repair Center channel. We have a BMW 4 Series 2017 back bumper damage. Somebody drove into the client, so you can see here we got a very big crack. So obviously, is that repairable? Yes, it is repairable as soon as you use the right material. So we definitely have a plastic repair kit. We have to take the bumper off, get it repaired properly, put the plastic repair kit going to get rid of the whole crack. So basically, instead you're gonna buy bumper for 600 pounds, 700 pounds, we can get it repaired, paint, put it back on the car, and you save a lot of money. Here it is, the rear bumper on the BMW 4 Series has been done completely, as well as you always used to, guys, watching from the beginning to the end. So you know that bumper how it was, and then how it's being repaired, how it looks like now. complete bumper has been repaired, and we had a crack here all along the bumper, so that's been repaired with the plastic repair kit, and then we put the plastic filler and it's been done. Guys, I really appreciate your watching my channel and your support, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you very much.